Hey guys, and welcome to week 2 of business strategy. This week we're going to start looking at the first of two parts of an environmental analysis, and this week we're going to be focusing in particular on those factors and forces within the organisation, and this makes up what we call the internal environment. Now, as part of this unit, we'll go over this week quite a few different concepts and models and theories that you guys will be able to put in place, certainly for your assessments and also just in building your understanding of how we can conduct an internal analysis. So the sorts of things that we're going to go over the next few slides, the next few videos. Firstly, delineating the different components and challenges of an internal analysis. There are different parts that we can break it down into, so we'll go over that and explain why it's not an easy thing to conduct a successful and detailed internal analysis. We're also going to look at and compare the key concepts of resources, capabilities, and core competencies, and why those three concepts will contribute, hopefully, towards sustainable competitive advantage for your firm. We touched on them a little bit last week, but we're going to go into them in more detail this week. We're going to also explain the importance of the resource-based view, again touched on to a lesser extent last week. We're going to go into that as a key theoretical underpinning for the internal analysis. Also discussing the value chain analysis, the different components of the value chain, and a related notion of benchmarking, which is going to become particularly important as we progress further through the semester. And finally, going over a concept that a number of you may have already come across in other units, the SWOT analysis, and explaining why that is particularly important when we conduct our internal analysis as part of the business strategy.